Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one dessert recipe. Today I'm going to make the black forest cake at home without egg. So this is the eggless black forest cake, guys. So let's start. So for this recipe, what you need here, I added 1 cup of maida, that is the plain flour, and here lot of ingredients for this cake, guys. So we will make step by step so that it will be very easy to make. So this is the first time I'm also making the cake, so I don't know how it comes. So let's try. Baking is fun, guys. So yeah, so I added 1 cup of maida here, and what I'm going to do, take another bowl, and I'm going to add this condensed milk, guys. So I'm going to add this condensed milk into this bowl. So I'm going to add half a cup of condensed milk. So in this condensed milk, half a cup of condensed milk, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of butter. So I'm adding butter, guys. Hey guys, I added that condensed milk, that mixture into this maida, and now it's time to add all the dry ingredients. So I added the maida, and it's time to add some cocoa powder into this. So you can add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 to 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, or you can use any chocolate powder. And it's time to add the baking powder, that is the must. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder, or you can add 1 teaspoon. So today I'm adding the 1 teaspoon. So this is half a teaspoon, guys. So this is done, and it's time to add a pinch of bicarbonate soda powder, and it's time to add the vanilla essence, and I added half a teaspoon of soda powder also, bicarbonate soda, and it's time to add some vanilla essence. It gives the nice flavor in the cake, guys. So you can add 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to mix all these ingredients together. So what we have to do, guys, this is so dry, so I'm going to add some milk to make a smooth batter like that. But I tasted this one. This is really yummy, guys, and I can smell the flavor of black forest cake. So very nice. So I'm going to add some milk. I added the milk, guys, and half a cup of milk, or less than. So I'm going to mix this one as a smooth batter. Hey guys, my cake batter is ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this cake tin, and I'm going to apply some oil so that the cake won't stick. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm applying this, I put this baking paper so that the cake won't stick, and it will be very clean also. So that's why we are putting this one, and I'm going to put the cake batter into this. Hey guys, this is ready. The cake part is ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cook it in the oven, 180 degrees C for 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. If you don't have an oven, what you can do it in the pressure cooker by adding salt, and you can bake that one for 25 minutes. So there are two optional. So yeah, so I'm going to put it in the oven. Hey guys, so we did that cake, and I put it in the oven. Now it's time to make cream for the cake. So you can use the whipped cream also, guys. Here is easily available, but I want to show you guys how to make thick cream for the cake at your home. So I'm using this thick cream, and I'm going to add this one into this bowl. and I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. So I added half a cup of thick cream into this and 3 to 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. So I added 3 to 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and I'm going to whisk this one up to 5 minutes, guys. And then only we will get the fluffy cream. So yeah, so let's start. So I'm going to whisk this one, guys. Hey guys, can you see how thick my cream is? So you have to whisk this one for 5 to 7 minutes, guys. Then only you will get the cream like this. So yeah, lot of work, guys, but in the end we will get the best result. So, and we are making this cake at home. So yeah, so this is also done. Hey guys, now I'm going to check the cake whether it's perfectly cooked or not. So I'm going to put this fork inside. Yes, maybe another 2 minutes, guys, but this is perfectly cooked. Hey guys, I'm using this dark chocolate toffee for the toppings in the black forest cake, and I'm going to use the peeler to peel this chocolate, guys. So I'm going to use this one. So I peeled that chocolate, guys. So this is done, and what I'm going to do now. Hey guys, my cake is perfectly cooked, and so I will show you guys. It's not sticking in the knife, so all the sides are perfectly cooked. And when it becomes cooled down, I will put it in the, I will transfer this one in the another plate, and we have to cut this one into uh, three slices, guys. So yeah, but I will make only two. Let's see. Hey guys, I removed the top of the layer from the cake, and so I'm going to make only two layer, guys. This is very difficult, and you have to remove it very carefully, and you have to cut it in the middle, guys. So yeah, so this is done, and when it becomes cool down, I will apply this sugar syrup from the cherry. So I'm using the black one, guys. So that's why the color is like this. I'm using this one, and I'm going to apply this one in the cake. Now it's cooled down, guys. So let's start the dressing. So I'm applying this cherry sugar syrup. If you want, you can add some sugar also, but this is enough. This is fully sugar, guys. So you have to apply in all the cake slices. Then only it will be very soft. So this is done, and it's time to apply the cream which we made. So I kept it in the fridge, guys, otherwise it will start melting. So I'm going to apply this one into this cake. Then we have to spread. I'm going to spread with this same spoon. And I'm going to add more, guys. So I applied in the cake, and I'm going to put the top layer, and I'm going to apply some more cream. Hey guys, I put that whipped cream also because my cream was finished, and wherever you can see, you can fill up this one. And what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to keep it in this one in the fridge so that it won't melt. So before keeping in the fridge, I thought I can decorate this cake, then I can keep it in the fridge, guys. Now it's time to sprinkle this chocolate in the top of the cake, because we are making this Black Forest cake, guys. So you have to sprinkle this cake everywhere in the surroundings also. Here guys, I put that chocolate in the top, and I'm going to use this uh, icing one for the decoration, guys. So this is a nose size, and I'm going to put this one in the top. So I decorated with the cherries, guys. So yeah, so this procedure is very long, but I love baking and cooking, guys, experimental cooking. So I thought I can make this one at home. So I'm going to keep it in the fridge. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make black forest cake at your home, and very easy recipe. And the homemade is always the best, guys. So yeah, so see you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.